Why carpet cleaning experts prefer eco-friendly cleaning? Leading carpet cleaning experts in Melbourne, like any other place, prefer eco-friendly cleaning. There are specific reasons behind it. They are: 1. Reasonableness. 2. Use of biodegradable materials. 3. No adverse issues. So quality companies offering budget carpet cleaning in Melbourne always offer eco-friendly service. We are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call now 1-800-960-244. Mail at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.